Like the previous hearing, Mrs. Maryam Sanda arrived at court clutching her baby and covering her face with a blue scarf. At the resumed hearing, Mrs. Sanda was rearranged, this time alongside her mother, Mrs. Maimuna Sanda, her brother, Mr. Aliyu Sanda, and her maid, Ms. Safia Aminu. While Mrs. Maryam Sanda pleaded not guilty to a one-count charge of culpable homicide for allegedly stabbing to death her husband and a son of a former chairman of the PDP, Mr. Biliamin Bello, her family members pleaded not guilty to another count charge of obstruction of justice for allegedly cleaning the blood at the scene of the alleged killing. Having taken their plea, the defendants asked for bail. While Mrs. Sanda hinged her bail application on the grounds of an undisclosed health condition and the fact that she is a nursing mother of an 8-month-old baby, her co-defendants asked for bail on the grounds that the offence for which they are standing trial is bailable. The prosecutor who opposed the bail application by Mrs. Maryam Sanda left the decision on the application of her co-defendants to the discretion of the court. In his ruling, Justice Yusuf Halilu declined bail to Mrs. Maryam Sanda while he admitted her co-defendants to bail with the condition that they provide 2 sureties each who must be residents of the city centre of Abuja and owners of landed properties. The defendants are also to deposit their travel documents with the court registry. But in the case of Mrs. Maryam Sanda, Justice Halilu held that even though the Administration of Criminal Justice Act had made provisions for exceptional situations, the defense did not prove beyond reasonable doubt that the health condition of Mrs. Maryam Sanda cannot be treated in a detention facility. He also held that the fact that she is a nursing mother is not a reason for which bail should be granted. The court therefore refused her bail.
Ordinarily, the exceptional circumstances expected to be shown for the bail to be granted, and the condition precedent has not been met, as you heard. That was what His Lordship has expressly stated.
Mrs. Maryam Sanda will have to remain in detention until February the 5th, 2018, when her trial will open. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.